Tecno Camon 50 Pro is here with us, and to my thinking, I think it will reach a point where there will be no more upgrades on smartphones. These days you find minimal upgrades on new smartphones. Like if you compare Camon 40 Pro and Camon 50 Pro, I don't see so much upgrade on the new Tecno Camon 50 Pro. When we look at the processor, the phone runs on MediaTek Helio G200 processor, while the Camon 40 Pro runs on Helio G100 processor. If you are a normal user like me, you may not even note the difference between the two processors. They almost run the same. Another sad thing is that Tecno have downgraded the front selfie camera from a 50 megapixel that was in the Camon 40 Pro to 32 megapixel, which is on the Tecno Camon 50 Pro. So if you are a selfie lover and you are using Camon 40 Pro, just stay with it. Upgrading to Camon 50 Pro is not worth your money. The only notable upgrade is the battery capacity. Tecno has moved from 5200 mAh battery to a 6500 mAh battery, which is quite impressive. Now, let's look at what the new Camon 50 Pro gives us. The new Camon 50 Pro smartphone comes in a variety of stunning colors, including moon shadow black, malachite green, nebula titanium, fire green, lavender mist, and ethereal blue, giving users plenty of stylish options to choose from. With a slim profile measuring just 7.38mm thick and overall dimensions of 162.37 by 76.97 by 7.38mm, the phone feels sleek, modern, and premium in the hand. The curved edge enhance grip and add the flagship-like aesthetics, making it not just a powerful device but also a fashionable one. The phone is a bit smaller when you compare it with the Camon 40 Pro. On the front, we get a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate and a sharp and vibrant 1.5K resolution of 1208 and 2644 pixels. This combination delivers ultra smooth scrolling, fluid animation, and a highly responsive touch experience, which is especially beneficial for gaming and fast-paced content consumption. The AMOLED technology ensures deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast levels, making videos, social media content, and game look incredibly immersive. The curved design further enhances the viewing experience by providing a more cinematic feel. Powering the device is the MediaTek Helio G200 Ultimate Processor, a chipset designed to deliver reliable performance for daily tasks and gaming. Whether you are multitasking between apps, browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing graphics intense games, the processor is optimized to maintain smooth and stable performance. The phone comes with 16GB of RAM and are configured with 8GB of physical RAM plus an additional 8GB of extended RAM, which helps improve multitasking efficiency. With 256GB of internal storage, users have ample space of apps, photos, videos, and a large game files without worrying about running out of storage anytime soon. In the camera department, the phone is equipped with a versatile triple rear camera setup. The primary camera is a 50 megapixel sensor with a large lens inch size and optical image stabilization, which help reduce blur and improve clarity, especially in low light conditions. Accompanying it is a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto lens that enables high quality optical zoom, allowing users to capture distant subjects with excellent details. There is also an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wider scenes such as landscapes and group photos. On the front, the device features a 32 megapixel selfie camera that delivers sharp and detailed selfie portrait, making it ideal for social media enthusiasts and video calls. It is a downgrade from the Camon 40 Pro, which had a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Battery life is one of the standout features of this device. It packs a massive 6500 mAh battery, which can comfortably last through a full day or even 2 days of moderate use. For heavy users who game, stream and browse extensively, the large battery ensures long-lasting performance without constantly reaching for the charger. When it is time to recharge, the 45 watts supercharge support ensures that the battery powers up quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected throughout the day. Audio and connectivity features further enhance the overall experience. The phone comes with dual speakers and Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive and rich stereo sound whether you are watching movies, playing games or listening to music. It supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FM radio, GPS, NFC, a Type-C port and OTG functionality, covering all essential connectivity needs. Additionally, it includes useful sensors such as geomagnetic sensor, ambient light sensor, and a distant sensor, electronic compass, and even an infrared remote control feature, which allows the phone to function as a remote for compatible home appliances. Running on iOS 16, the device offers a refined user experience with customization options, smart features, and optimized system performance. The software is designed to complement the hardware, ensuring smooth and improved efficiency. Overall, this Tecno smartphone delivers a strong combination of high refresh rate, curved AMOLED display, capable cameras with OIS and optical zoom, powerful performance with extended RAM, massive battery life, and immersive audio features. If priced competitively, it has all ingredients to stand out as one of the most compelling mid-range smartphone on the market. If you are coming from the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, I think there is no need to upgrade to the Camon 50 Pro. But if you are coming from the Camon 30, this is the best phone to upgrade. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.